Hi, welcome to your channel Psychology Simplified. Today's topic is level of aspiration. Abhilasha, Chah, Akanksha ka star. Today we'll get in deeper meaning of level of aspiration. Majority of us aspire to become someone, to have some goal in our life. So let us know about what is the meaning of level of aspiration. It is the possible goal an individual sets in the performance. The level of aspiration which a person sets up for himself or herself is frequently determined by the amount of self-esteem which he or she needs to maintain. So let us know what is the meaning of self-esteem. Self-esteem is an individual's subjective evaluation of their own worth. Self-esteem encompasses beliefs about oneself. For example, I am unloved, I am worthy, as well as emotional states such as triumph, despair, pride, and shame. There are determinants of self-aspiration. With the help, one can know which are the determinants which influences the level of aspiration or self-aspiration of a person. The first one is cultural norm of a group which influences the level of aspiration. And the second one is individual's self-image. Let us talk about first one, which is cultural norms. The cultural determinants of aspiration level are all the cultural pressures on the individual to sail toward higher achievement. Cultural pressures not only determine the level of achievement to which we aspire, but also the level of performance with which we are satisfied. Self-image. Individual strives and achieves because of his or her loyalty to the conceptions of himself or herself as a person. Now let us see the sequence of events in a level of aspiration. If someone is having a certain goal, so how he or she will achieve that goal, there is a sequence of attempts. So let us see in the next slide. There are four typical sequences of events in a level of aspiration. First one is last performance by an individual. Second one is setting of aspiration for the next performance. It may be higher or lower depend upon the last performance. Third one is then new performance performed by an individual. Fourth one is psychological reaction due to the new performance. Level of aspiration does not exclusively rely upon performance, but may depend on particular motivation based upon which it can be classified into two types. Positive aspiration, which is high level of aspiration marked up by strong motivation towards achievement. The second one is negative aspiration, which is low level of aspiration marked by less motivation towards achievement, and there is a high fear of failure. Now see few facts about level of aspiration. Many factors like task difficult achievement, expectations of others, and cultural factor influence one's level of aspiration. Feedback about one's performance is also equally effective in influencing level of aspiration. People generally tend to set their level of aspiration slightly above their previous performance and continue to adjust the level in successive trials. The greater the failure, the stronger the tendency to lower it. Finally, I would like to say the level of aspiration are more realistic in generally secured, self-confident individuals who anticipate success and are able to tolerate failure as well.